Good morning, YouTube. Let's do a little unboxing. Um, Ordered two knives. One's a switchblade and the other's an OTF. Let's see how they stack up here. Now, I did open the package to make sure nothing was damaged inside. I haven't opened the boxes yet, but let's get to it. Okay. And let's see. I bought these knives from a place I've never dealt with before, but we're going to see. From directknivesales.com. Sorry about the sideways, but I'm sitting at my desk here. But I do not promote these people in no way, fashion, or form. They do not pay me to show their knives. It's just a new company I found, or they're new to me. All right, let's see what we got. Let's see what is in what box. Okay, start off with, they're in a little belt case. Decent little case, made in China type stuff. And I imagine the knives are too. Okay. Alright, this is the pearl handle switchblade. Let's see what we have here. Well, looks nice to be genuine imitation pearl. Everything seems to look right. It's just made like a standard switchblade. Oh, that's cool. It's got a magnet that holds this end down. That's all right. The other one I showed you guys on here don't have a magnet on it. It just flips over. Let's see what kind of action we have. Oh, I like that. Strong action. Yeah, make you jump. Knife came, well, they call it pre-sharpened. I don't. I like my knives razor sharp. Okay, let's lay this to the side and see what's in the other. Okay, this should be made in China, of course. Where else you gonna get a knife cheap? Okay, this one also has a case. China-made case. Okay, this is the OTF. Has a lot of weight to it. It's got a glass breaker on one end. Also, made in China. Yeah. Alright. So, made out of metal. Probably some kind of pot metal. Let's see what the action is. I bought this for a friend of mine. His birthday is in a few days. And he's always liked an OTF, so I ran up on that site and decided to purchase one. I think this thing was like, I don't know, 35 bucks, something like that. Ah, nice sliding action. Blade's fairly tight. Not sharp on either side, sharp on the point. It'll need sharpening. Now this is supposed to be 440 stainless. Now whether it is or not, I don't know. But there's no markings on it that I can see right now. Most 440 stainless has 440 stamped on it. So, but the action is quite nice. Like I say, it has a lot of weight to it. I bet the thing weighs 8 ounces. But anyway, two knives from two nice automatic knives. Cool. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. You can hit the subscribe button and the bell. And I'm open to constructive criticism. I know they're cheap knives, so don't tell me how cheap they are. I already know. I bought and paid for them, had them sent here. But seems like pretty cool knife for the money. Like I say, Direct Knife Sales is the name of the company. But anyway, I thought I'd give them a try and see what they're like. I mean, they have some more expensive brands on there. They have some $300 and $400 out the fronts, but it's a little out of my range. But anyway, I hope you enjoy your day. God bless.